Hello guys, welcome back again. Real quick, I'm going to show you how you are going to display all data from the database in our table. As you know, we have inserted some data in the database table using our form, but we did not show the result. So now this is all about. I'm going to show you some hints. If you want to know more about some functions you could use in your project, just let me know. I will get into that too. So guys, here we are going to add table to display all data. Go back to your employees list blade. We are going to design the table. Let's go and test if the names are showing. As you can see, it is working. The table is created. Back to web.php. Add new get root to get all employees saved in the database table. Now add getEmployeeList method into employee controller class. Import data table in our controller. This function is going to help us to get all saved employees. Back to employees list blade. Add this ID attribute and copy this ID and use it on JS to have all saved employees by using Ajax. Copy this root name and use on data table Ajax option. Here you define attributes names of database table. Let's go and check it out. Now you see we have all data from database table. On this table we have pagination drop-down options for prepages entries. Now let's add another employee. You see employee have saved successfully and not showing in our table. But once I refresh immediately shows up. Now I'm going to show you how add new employee and immediately refresh the page or reload. Copy this ID and paste there. Once you reset the form, add this Ajax.reload to refresh the page. Let's check now. Now register a new employee. Now you see data inserted and table. Now we are going to customize drop-down pre-page numbers. Now add drop-down option numbers. We are going to display 5 entries on a page. Now let's check in browser. Now we have 5 entries on page. You can change pre-page numbers the way you want. You see pagination works very well. Now here you see we have ID numbers. Let's change ID numbers in the table and then see result in our page. You can add another employee. As you can see, the ID number are not displayed in ordered way. So we are going to use a keyword called DTRowIndex to display the index number instead of ID number. In getEmployeesList function, write @index column. Add this line. Write DT_row_index. Now let's check if it works. Now as you can see, row indexes are displayed instead of being an ID. Guys, this is how you can retrieve data from database with Ajax using server-side data table. You can try this way in your project. Thank you for watching.